This was my first time ever trying a V-Part wig. No mannequin, no fancy setup, just me, my leave out, and curiosity. I wanted something that looked like my hair without actually having to deal with my hair, and this UNice wig did not disappoint. I blew my hair out, gave myself a middle part, and did the quickest braid pattern known to mankind. Not perfection, just flat enough for the wig. Wash day already took me out, so we are in survival mode. This is the UNice Easy Contour Yaki Straight V-Part Wig, 18 inches. 180% density, natural black, 100% human hair, and the texture is giving silk press without the salon. Before I even throw her on, let's talk about the setup. This unit has a drawstring in the back, an adjustable band to fit your head, and multiple sewn-in clips for grip. It also has 2 press and snap clip-ins for extra security. I did 2 anchor braids at the top so it locks in place without pulling on my hair. It's secure but breathable. If I need to scratch, I can. Priorities. To blend my leave out, I started with the Mizani heat protectant and my 10-plus-year-old flat iron. She's been through it, but she still gets the job done. The hair got sleek, shiny, and smooth. For product, I used my old Flyaway Tamer and Basque Lather edge control at the hairline for that natural finish. I'm past the perfect baby hair era. I like when my hairline looks real. My texture shows, so what? That's me. Before work, I added a touch of balm, a light mist of spray, and wrapped my leave out with a satin scarf to help it lay flat. After work, you'll see a little puff. Humidity's gonna humidify. It's real life hair, not mannequin hair. After I took my scarf off, I grabbed my shears and cut soft face framing layers where my natural hair stops, just to make it flow together. It instantly looked custom. Then I ran my old flat iron through again to seal it all in. Even with my janky 10-plus-year-old flat iron, this hair took heat beautifully. Smooth, shiny, no stiffness. And trust me, when I use the new flat iron later, it looks even better. The next morning, I used my upgraded flat iron and a new wax stick, and baby, the difference was wild. The blend was smoother, shinier, and way more seamless. Then I started curling. I twirl the iron until the ends reach the edge of the barrel, roll it up, hold for about 10 seconds, and when I release, I let the curl fall into my hand to keep the heat locked in. After that, I pop on a jumbo Conair roller for about 10 to 15 minutes. Once they're out, volume, bounce, shine, all of it. Pretty sure based on my facial expressions you can tell how I feel about this wig. I'm honestly super proud of myself because this is the first time I've tried this, but of course, let's get them side by side. Sleek or bouncy? Which one are you rocking? This V-Part wig is giving scalp movement and shine. Comment your favorite look and I'll see you in the next video.